Hi friends, welcome. I have a very special recipe today, one of my favorites actually, and you know why? Because it's a one-pot Mexican burrito bowl and I'm going to do all of it in my Panasonic multi cooker and rice cooker. Now, I love this one because I'm a fan of keeping it lean in the kitchen. So if I can have one appliance that can do multiple things, I'm very happy. So this rice cooker will do rice, obviously, perfectly, but will also act like a slow cooker, can do soups, can do porridge. I've made so many different things in my Panasonic multi cooker and rice cookers. I love them so much. So first up, I'm gonna get my rice cooker heating up. Now there are 4 auto menus here. There's white rice, there's quick cook and steam, there's congee and soup, and brown rice. And you can use this for many, many different dishes and styles of cooking. I'm gonna use this quick cook steam function to actually do some searing first of all. So start. Okay, this is feeling hot enough now. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil. I only need a tiny bit because this bincha coating is beautifully non-stick, which makes it easy to clean, but also means I don't have to use as much fat. Okay, so in goes my beef. Now see how you can hear that sear? I think a lot of people don't think creatively enough about these rice and multi cookers because they can do so many things. I'm gonna add some garlic in here too. All right, my beef is almost cooked through, so now I'm gonna add in my spices. I try to keep things a little bit simple here, so I'm actually using a store-bought taco seasoning powder. Just saves me buying a whole heap of spices, but I am gonna do a little trickery here. I'm gonna add a few of my own pantry ingredients. I've got some smoked paprika and some onion powder. This is like a secret weapon that adds a bit of savoriness to your taco meat. Gosh, that smells good already. Oh, love this one. Okay, I am going to take out my beef now. Switch that off. I'm gonna leave as much of the cooking juices as I can in there because I'm gonna use that to flavor my rice and beans. We're gonna add this beef back in later, but let's just take it out for now. Now for the rice and beans. I've had some black beans soaking since yesterday and some white jasmine rice. So the rice goes in. Now this is my 8-cup version. Now this particular rice and multi cooker also comes in a 10-cup version as well. So you can choose depending on the size of your family. And my beans go in too, and some chicken stock. All right, now I'm gonna use the auto function here. I'm gonna choose white rice and just press start. Rice cooker will do its thing. All right, so I've got a few minutes left on my timer here and I'm gonna add my beef back in and some cheese as well because I want it to melt in there. Oh, look at that. Now, one of the things that's so amazing about the technology in these rice cookers is something called fuzzy logic. Now you'll see this rice is so perfectly cooked because the fuzzy logic technology actually adjusts time and temperature as the rice cooks, so it's perfect every time. Now it does just have a few more minutes to go. I'm gonna put my beef in and some corn. This is like an optional. I just like to boost up my midweek meals with as many vegetables as I can and then some cheese. Okay, I'm gonna let the cheese melt and in the meantime, I'm gonna make a really quick guacamole. It's very simple. You just want some avocado, squeeze that avocado in, just a little bit of salt, some lime juice. Oh, I wish you were here to smell this right now. It smells so good. Now let's see what's been happening. Look at that. Melty cheese. Oh, that spiced beef. Oh my goodness. And the rice, that perfectly cooked rice at the bottom. Oh, look at that. The fact that you can cook the beans and the rice so perfectly all at once, I love that. Okay, that is feeding so many people. That is a huge amount. I love that you can fit so much, even just in the 8-cup version. Okay, what are we gonna do? I'm gonna put lots of these beautiful fresh ingredients on here. I've got some capsicum, some red onion, iceberg lettuce, avocado, a little bit of extra cheese, why not? And some coriander, few jalapenos. As I said, you can make this any way you like. Now this looks like my version of a heavenly weeknight dinner. I love it. Oh my goodness. That cheese pull makes me so happy. Wow. Do you know what the real star of the show there is? That beautifully cooked rice. Ah, it's so good. So much flavor. The beef, beans, so yum.